Bergenia, also known as elephant's ears or elephant ear saxifrage, is a hardy perennial plant appreciated for its attractive foliage and colorful flowers. Here's a guide on how to plant, grow, and care for Bergenia. Planting Bergenia. Choose the right location. Bergenia thrives in partial shade to full sun. Select a spot with well-draining soil. It can tolerate various soil types but prefers slightly acidic to neutral soil. Planting time. The best time to plant Bergenia is in spring or fall. Dig a hole that's about the same depth and width as the root ball. Planting depth. Place the plant in the hole, ensuring that the crown, where the roots meet the stems, is at the soil level. Fill the hole with soil, pat it down gently, and water thoroughly. Growing Bergenia. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the plant's establishment period. Water deeply but avoid waterlogging the soil. Once established, Bergenia is quite drought tolerant. Fertilization. In early spring, apply a balanced fertilizer or compost around the base of the plant. This helps encourage healthy growth and flowering. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the plant to retain moisture and control weeds. Mulching also helps protect the plant's roots during extreme temperatures. Dividing. Bergenia can become crowded over time. Divide the plant every 3 to 4 years in spring to maintain its vigor. Dig up the entire plant, divide the root ball into sections, and replant them at the same depth. Caring for Bergenia. Pruning. Remove any damaged or discolored leaves throughout the growing season. Pruning spent flower stalks can encourage a tidy appearance and potentially stimulate a second bloom. Pest and disease control. Bergenia is relatively resistant to pests and diseases. However, keeping the area clean and providing good air circulation can prevent common issues. Watch for snails, slugs, or aphids, and address them promptly if found. Winter care. Bergenia is quite hardy, but in colder climates, a layer of mulch can help protect the roots during winter. Mulching also prevents frost heaving. Propagation. Besides division, Bergenia can also be propagated through seeds. Collect seeds after flowering, plant them in a seed tray or pot, and keep them moist until germination occurs. By following these guidelines, you can ensure the successful planting, growth, and care of your Bergenia, enjoying its vibrant foliage and beautiful flowers throughout the seasons.